1, 2, 3.
Here we come, Lake Tahoe!
All these I Love New York girls.
There's the famous tunnel, everybody. We have to hold our breaths. 1, 2, 3. Girls, there's Lake Tahoe. We finally made it to Tahoe. It's time to go wake up the kids. She's right here, baby.
You gotta put your swimsuit on.
We're gonna get in a cool boat and go down the river.
Yeah, you wanna go on a boat?
Go pee-pee diaper.
Okay.
Good morning from Lake Tahoe. My name is Aubrey and I'm 9 years old. My name is Letta. I'm 3 years old. Did you bring some pennies? So we went river rafting, saw a bunch of ducks, and I pretended I had food, and I was like, come here, duckies.
Look, 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 look. Whoa, that's where we're going. You're on the bus for the first time. Yay, guys, we're on the boat.
We're on a boat.
Where's our snacks?
Here's our snacks.
Hey, Obs, how you feel? You look so funny with that thing on your head.
It's my GoPro. Whoa, look at you guys. That's how you need to jump in?
Oh my god!
Oh, splash splash on your feet.
I'm running, I'm running, I'm running!
Uh-oh, yay.
People chew gum and then when they get to that, they throw it on there?
Yeah, it's a tradition that people do.
I've always wanted to see a bubblegum bridge.
You too? Letta, do you want to see the bubblegum bridge?
Yeah.
It's right there.
I like the bubblegum bridge.
Me too.
Bubblegum bridge.
Look at all that
There's
bubblegum.
red bubblegum, blue bubblegum, green bubblegum, yellow bubblegum.
Look at it. Oh, I gotta tuck my head.
I
Oh,
don't. There's a sticker.
look at all that. Yuck.
That is so
Jump in from the boat there. Like jumping off the boat. No?
cool. In a little bit, I'll do it.
Oh!
I'm gonna do that on purpose.
You slept in it. What's up, family? Uncle Neg, Auntie Lena with Willie B in her belly over there, Auntie Katie, and Boom Pop. It'd be really fun. Mommy will hold your hand, okay?
Can you hold me, Mommy?
Mommy gonna hold you.
I'm gonna just get my hand for
Oh, you won't fall. You have a big life jacket on. Mommy's got you.
Hold on right here.
There you go. See, you got the handle right there. You got the handle. And Sissy's, look, Sissy's right there too.
It's okay. This will help you
Good
float.
job.
It's okay.
You're doing it, Letta.
Oh, look at you. You can lay back.
Oh, here's another little rapid, Aubrey. Catch it. All right, here we go. We got some class 1 rapids here. Oh, God. Here we go. Whoa.
Chico, honey.
Uh-oh. Which side do you want to go on, Aubrey? Because right now we're headed for the middle. There we go. Keep paddling. Give me some more, Aubrey. Give me some more. Good job. Okay. We're good. Good job, Aubrey. Oh, here we go again. Whoa! Oh, you guys hit a big old rock. All right, everybody, we gotta touch it, okay? Here we go. Oh. Whoa! That was cool. Wow. Gotta bring it closer, baby. What are you doing? Are you feeding the quack-quacks?
No, I'm trying to get the girl one. Get it, girl. Yeah.
Look at the ducky.
Hey, ducky, just hold on to here. You can kick your legs out. Put your tummy out. You know, see? Put your other hand on there. Hold yourself up. Just take a see?
Oh, Leto, what do you think?
I think this is cool. I just...
Go, Aubrey, go.
Whoa! This is...
Whoa! Some pretty big rapids. Watch out, girls. Where we got it. We got it, babies. Oh! Big rapid. Oh! Look at Boom Pop back there. Oh, snap. Oh. Oh no. Let's swing it. Here, Uno reverse card. Here we go. Here we go, babies. Whoa. Oh, man. We got it. We got it. Hey, hang on to Letta, babe. We might go crash it into these rocks. Hang on. Here we go. Whee! We're cruising. Oh, that was a big one. We're kind of stuck now. All right, now we got to exit. So, babe, I'm going to need your help. Aubrey, give it to mommy. Let this stay still, okay? Aubrey, you got to watch your head, okay? Hang on, girls. We're headed for that dock right there, okay? Whoa! All right. Uno reverse. Uno reverse. Good job, girls. All right, so just really quick, how was that, girls?
So fun, but also so scary.
So scary? How was it, babe?
so fun, always. 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
I'm about to go swimming
Yeah.
in the lake, but it looks like an ocean, but it's lake.
Nice.
Girl.
I think you girls should stand right in that thing right there. And let me take a picture of you.
Kayak would be fun. You could probably rent
Oh,
these
there is
paddleboards,
kayaks.
too.
I jumped off the dock and also I swam with my little sister.
Well, we're finally here in Tahoe. We're at this cool beach. It's so pretty here. The water is like crystal clear. And you can even see fish down there. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna just jump in?
I'm gonna die.
You gonna dive in?
Come on. I know you can do it.
Okay, ready. On your mark. Get set. Go! Go!
One, two.
Emily and Aubrey. Whoa! Nice jump.
Hey, one out of the way. Two.
Nani's going now.
It went underwater, sorry. Okay. He's gonna jump. I jumped in the water and then I dived all the way down to the bottom and then I grabbed sand and I brought it up.
I want to push myself off and get over here. All right. Are you gonna be scared this time to jump off? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Look, I just fish from the bottom!
You did.
It's so soft. Yes, I made like a beach chair. So I dug a big hole and then for my butt and then I put water in it and then it dissolved into the grass. I was thinking, So I made like a little river passage way to put water in it and then after it had enough water, I sealed it up and I put more water in it. And then I made myself my sticker too.
That's what she did for over an hour yesterday. Where's your tummy? Why are you in your tummy?
No, okay.
Jenny, what you got there? What are you doing? Walter, what are you doing?
I'm flipping some dirt and lightsaber.
Oh. Oh, that's good. What are you doing, Aubrey?
I'm just making like a little butt area that you can sit in.
Oh, they're butthole seats, apparently.
Tahoe butthole.
Maybe you should make a butthole seat, Letta.
No,
Okay,
can't.
you can't? Alright.
Oh, and we also saw some munchkins, and which are chipmunks. I like to call them munchkins.
Or minkies.
Minkies. And they're super cute, and I got so close.
Oh my gosh, look at that, girls. Look at the little minky. Oh, where's he going? Look at him. He's going to start trusting you. Look at that. He likes you guys. Look, stay right there. Don't move. Honey, he's gonna run from you. I told you. He gets scared when you get too close, honey. There's a little minkunk right there. Hey, little minkunk with your pink slippers on. Oh, you gonna do it again? Nice dive. Those flippers are helping you swim so fast. I think I might jump in with it, like, woo!
1, 2, 3, go!
Did one step at a time. Oh, I want you to know you're not in this on your own. Oh, darling, I would never let you go. Oh,
You're pushing me.
Are we going fast? Ew, stop!
Hey, bud. She's swimming a lot faster than our boat. Aubrey, come on, you're my engine, my motor. Go, please. Emily's beating us.
She's gonna. You're 5,000 pounds.
She's really good at swimming. We're in the middle of the lake together. Are you gonna take a nap on Daddy? Yeah. Are you sleepy? Oh! It's our famous paddleboard game that we like to play when we come down here to Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh! That was so close, Aubrey.